Sin must no longer rule in your mortal body so that you obey the desires of your natural self, nor must you surrender any part of yourselves to sin to be used for wicked purposes. Instead, give yourselves to God as those who have been brought from death to life, and surrender your whole being to Him to be used for righteous purposes. Sin must not be your master, for you do not live under law, but under God's grace.
If it's your first time seeing this face, hi, it's RebaRosey here. Welcome to the Rosy Garden. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi girl, hi boy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am an educator, a motivator, and an entertainer. So guys, I completely forgot my intro, but that's besides the point. I just came to say that hi guys, I'm back on YouTube, back like I know I keep on saying this, but this time around I'm for real. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm wearing all navy blue. I'm going to put on my burgundy coat with my black loafers. I'm going to show you my outfit of the day once I'm done with my hair as well. And it's so cold, guys. Yo, I don't feel like. But anyway, so this is how I look after doing my hair. I love it. So this hairband, it's not here for any reason besides me covering my ears. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to apply Derma Opal to my skin. This is my go-to sunscreen, by the way, because it's for dry skin. So I am on the drier side of the grass. I am having Weet-Bix for breakfast. I just have to warm my milk in here. I'll have to open the other block. Guys, I don't know if you can see the colors, but this is what I am wearing today. I'm wearing all navy blue with my loafers and a burgundy coat. If you don't see it, I'll try to vlog at school. But yeah, if there's anything that you see in terms of the walls or anything, the interior of the house, the building and whatever, this is not my house. Not my house. Five times 10 to the power. Because the content creator. Let me just see I am tired to the core. To the core. I just got home. Honestly, with the way I've just been consuming a lot of food, I'm not surprised my face looks like this. But guys, I don't have a perfect skin at all. People think that I do have a perfect skin, but I don't. So this is me showing you the most authentic content, the most relatable content you'll ever find here on YouTube. Anyway, I'm joking, my lips are so dry. I'm just about to make my dinner. But before making dinner, I have to eat something. I need the energy. I'm going to have my leftovers, which is pasta mince. I'm going to put on mozzarella cheese. Yeah. Making pancakes for dinner. No. It's not even for dinner, it's for, it's more like a dessert. So I'm going to make pancakes so that I can eat them after I eat my main meal. So this is everything that I'm going to need. I'm going to use a banana. I don't know what happened here, guys. I don't know, honestly. And I'm also going to use an egg, and I have sugar in here. I'm also going to need to use my salt, obviously vanilla essence, and then rama. And in here is my flour. The ingredient I forgot to mention, so I'm not gonna measure it because I don't have the measuring cups, but I'm just gonna try and be smart about it. I think that's enough. I'm not sure anyway. What a nice banana. It's so clean, it's so fresh. I like it. As much as this banana is so cute, I don't like using these ones. I like using ripe, like way too ripe ones, because when you crush them, it's actually very easy. But anyway, we'll work with what we have. Sale ke ipotsa gore e le goreng tshosa ka se le thata yana kante ke lebetse mašwi ga nke ka tlhole ke mejara yanong ke nana a siame a yanong dilo tsa ka dipasitse so this is my dinner. So I'm just gonna warm that up. It's just chicken liver and mashed potatoes. I cook them in the afternoon. So as I'm warming my food, I'm quickly gonna prepare to make my pancakes. Oh, I forgot to mention that this is just to oil up your pan. It does not have to be oily, but just zhuzh if you don't have a non-stick spray. Look at my pancakes, guys. My pancakes came out so good. I love them for myself. So I'm just going to pour my custard, and yes, I love them so much. I just know that it's not enough
This custard is not enough. I love my pancakes soaking in whatever sauce I'll be using.
Yo, my lamp is acting up. My lamp keeps acting up so much and I hate it. I just came in to say good night. Let's try to do this all over again. Thank you, bye.